Good afternoon, I'm Cynthia Arthur. You're watching News on 2. The number of deaths due to accidents on the 10th day of Ops Selamat 15 continues to rise with 17 fatalities recorded. PDRM Secretariat Corporate Communications Head Dato' Asmawati Ahmad said the number brings the total of deaths to 176 since the operation was launched on 29th of May in conjunction with the Aidilfitri festivities. According to Dato' Asmawati, 23,263 vehicles were involved in accidents nationwide, with Selangor again leading in the number of accidents reported with 4,403. Johor came second with a total of 2,511, followed by Kuala Lumpur 2,033 and Perak with 1,356. A total of 2,902 operations were conducted all over the country, with 217,683 summonses issued for various offences. Dato' Asmawati added that in housebreaking cases, 441 cases were reported during after 10 days of Ops Selamat 15. The number of hospitals covered by MySalam, the free national health protection scheme for the low-income or B40 group who undergo medical treatment at government hospitals, has been widened to include 5 university hospitals and 5 military hospitals. Finance Minister Lim Guan Eng said in a statement that this was to enable patients to receive further treatment from specialist doctors. The 5 university hospitals are the University of Malaya Medical Centre, Kuala Lumpur, University Kebangsaan Malaysia Medical Centre, Kuala Lumpur, International Islamic University Malaysia Medical Centre, Kuala Lumpur, University Science Malaysia Hospital, Kelantan, and UiTM Hospital in Sungai Buloh, Selangor. The military hospitals are Hospital Angkatan Tentera, Hat Tuanku Mizan in Kuala Lumpur, Hat Lumut, Perak, Hat Terendak Camp, Melaka, Hospital Tentera Darat, Gemah, Negeri Sembilan, and Hat Wilayah Kota Kinabalu, Sabah. Patients will be able to receive treatment at these hospitals after getting a specialist doctor's confirmation to be beneficiaries of MySalam, a Takaful protection scheme launched in January this year through the government's collaboration with Great Eastern Takaful Berhad. The scheme provides an 8,000 ringgit one-off lump sum payment if beneficiaries are diagnosed with any of the 36 critical illnesses, including cancer, heart diseases, muscular dystrophy, and Alzheimer's. There is also a daily hospitalization allowance of 50 ringgit, up to a maximum of 700 ringgit a year. 8 Sri Lanka nationals and 3 local men were arrested at 3 different locations on 27th of May as police crippled a syndicate specializing in the smuggling of immigrants to Europe. The arrests were made at the Padang Besar Customs, Immigration and Quarantine Complex and 2 other locations in the Klang Valley. Inspector General of Police Dato' Sri Abdul Hamid Badur in a statement said the syndicate, which had been active since mid-2018, was using Malaysia as a transit country before sending Sri Lankan nationals to Europe. The arrests were made when the syndicate members tried to smuggle a Sri Lankan boy to Thailand via the Padang Besar entrance using a Malaysian travel document. The syndicate had planned to send the boy to Europe illegally. Dato' Sri Ahmad Hamid said the 3 Malaysians were believed to be involved in smuggling the Sri Lankan migrants out of the country via the Malaysia-Thailand border by using Malaysian travel documents. Investigations revealed that they also give protection and kept the Sri Lankan migrants in the capital city before sending them to a third country. And that concludes this afternoon's edition of News on 2. In our top story, MySalam scheme expanded to cover university and military hospitals. We'll be back at 7 this evening with more updates. Till then, I'm Cynthia Arthur and have a great Sunday.